Hey everyone, Leica Sofort 2 is a hybrid instant camera that seamlessly blends digital and analog photography, bringing best of both worlds to a compact and stylish design. This special edition, created in collaboration with Burton Snowboards, pays homage to snowboarding pioneer Jake Burton. Leica Sofort 2 Burton Special Edition is instantly recognizable by its unique Jake blue and black color scheme, complete with Burton logo prominently displayed on top cover. Adding to its exclusivity, camera comes with a customized Burton camera case, making it a coveted item for both photography enthusiasts and Burton fans. At its core, Leica Sofort 2 is designed to capture high-quality images with ease. It features 4.9 megapixel 1/5 inch CMOS sensor paired with 2.4 millimeters f2 lens, which offers an equivalent focal length of 28 millimeters. With an aperture range from f2 to f16 and an autofocus system that operates from 10 centimeters to infinity, this camera is equipped to handle a variety of shooting conditions. Shutter speeds range from 1/4 to 1/80,000 seconds, providing flexibility for capturing everything from fast-moving action shots to low-light scenes. One of key advantages of Sofort 2 is its hybrid nature, allowing users to take digital photos before selecting which ones to print. Camera's internal memory can store approximately 45 images, and additional storage is available via microSD and microSDHC cards. 3-inch TFT LCD screen provides an intuitive interface for menu navigation and reviewing images before printing. The instant prints measure 62 by 46 millimeters and are produced using Leica's dedicated instant film packs, ensuring high-quality results that maintain the brand's renowned aesthetic. Weighing approximately 320 grams without film and measuring 123 by 86 by 44 millimeters, the Sofort 2 is compact and lightweight, making it a great companion for capturing moments on the go. Its built-in 740 mAh battery is capable of producing around 100 instant prints on a full charge, with a recharge time of 2 to 3 hours. This ensures that users can enjoy extended shooting sessions without frequent interruptions. Burton Special Edition of Leica. Sofort 2 enhances creative possibilities by offering 10 lens and film effects, in addition to multiple shooting modes such as macro, landscape, and selfie. Furthermore, the camera integrates seamlessly with Leica Photos app via Bluetooth, enabling users to print images directly from their smartphones or other Leica cameras. This connectivity feature significantly expands the functionality of the Sofort 2, making it a versatile tool for modern photographers who appreciate both digital convenience and the tangible joy of instant prints. This special edition not only commemorates his legacy, but also serves as a symbol of his impact on the sport and culture of snowboarding. The distinctive Jake blue color scheme is a tribute to his personal style, making the camera a fitting homage to his enduring influence. The Leica Sofort 2 Burton Edition will be available worldwide starting February 11, 2025, through authorized dealers, Leica stores, and the Leica online store. It is priced at $599. For those who prefer the standard version, the regular Leica Sofort 2 is available in black, white, and red for $399. With its unique combination of digital precision and analog charm, the Leica Sofort 2 Burton Special Edition is a must-have for photography enthusiasts, instant film lovers, and fans of Jake Burton's legacy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.